Most wood lathes you will find online are flimsy toys that will wobble and snap after only a few projects. Pick the wrong one and you are wasting hundreds of dollars on a vibration-heavy machine that ruins every piece of timber. Are you tired of searching for a reliable lathe that can handle your woodworking projects with precision? Luckily, we have done the hard work to find the best options that will take your craft to the next level. Today, I am going to be going over the best wood lathe that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you are interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the JET JWL-1221VS. This impressive wood lathe provides hobbyists and professional woodworkers a robust platform for crafting intricate bowls and spindle projects. New users will immediately appreciate how the user-friendly interface allows for precise control during the entire wood-turning creative process. The machine features a heavy-duty cast iron bed that ensures superior vibration dampening for smoother and more consistent wood finishing. Its optimized design incorporates a generous 12-inch swing over the bed to accommodate a wide variety of larger turning projects. Engineers constructed this model with a compact footprint to maximize limited shop space without sacrificing essential performance or overall stability. The variable speed system utilizes a high-performance electronic controller offering a range of 60 to 3,600 RPM. An innovative 3-speed pulley system provides maximum torque at lower speeds for turning difficult or highly irregular pieces of timber. Users can easily reverse the rotation direction with the simple flip of a switch, which greatly enhances sanding project results. Real-world testing reveals that the motor delivers consistent power even under the heaviest cutting loads during large bowl turnings. This machine maintains exceptional accuracy during long sessions, ensuring that each cut remains clean and uniform every single time. It performs significantly better than the standard Delta 5400 when managing heavy material removal and high-speed finishing tasks. The pros include electronic variable speed, massive cast iron build, and convenient forward or reverse rotation settings for better sanding. The cons include higher initial investment costs and the relatively heavy weight, which makes it difficult for some users moving. At number 4, we have the JET JWL-1440VS. This compact benchtop lathe is perfectly designed for hobbyists who require professional results within a smaller workspace environment. Woodworkers will immediately appreciate the intuitive control layout that makes turning intricate projects feel effortless and highly rewarding today. The entire machine is constructed from heavy-duty cast iron to ensure maximum vibration dampening during intense wood turning operations. Its footprint is exceptionally small at roughly 28 inches in length by 8 inches wide for tight shop layouts. The machine provides a 10-inch swing over the bed and 15 inches of distance between centers for versatility. A powerful half-horsepower motor drives the spindle with enough torque to handle various hardwoods without stalling the rotation. Users benefit from the advanced electronic variable speed system, offering a range from 200 to 3,000 RPM. Adjusting the speed is seamless through a user-friendly dial located conveniently on the front of the sturdy headstock. The indexing pin allows for precise pattern work, ensuring consistent spacing across every single project that you choose turning. During testing, the operation remained impressively smooth and quiet, even when turning larger bowls or spindles at high speeds. When compared against the Delta Industrial MIDI lathe, this model offers slightly superior vibration control for delicate project work. The pros include excellent speed control, heavy-duty cast iron frame, and smooth, quiet operation for all skill levels. The cons include higher initial costs and limited swing capacity for very large diameter turning projects in your shop. At number 3, we have the JET JWL-1440VS. This impressive wood lathe is expertly designed for professional woodworkers who demand precision and reliability for their complex turning projects. Its robust base offers incredible stability while you craft intricate bowls or long spindles with total control and deep confidence. The heavy cast iron construction provides an exceptional foundation that effectively dampens vibration during even the most challenging turning tasks. Engineers designed the headstock to slide along the entire length of the lathe bed for maximum versatility and workspace configuration. You will find that the bed length spans 40 inches to accommodate large furniture legs or expansive artistic table projects. The sophisticated variable speed control allows you to adjust RPM settings smoothly without stopping the motor for better workflow efficiency. It delivers an impressive 2-horsepower motor output that maintains high torque levels even when turning large pieces of wood. A convenient digital display provides real-time speed monitoring so you can maintain exact rotations for every unique phase of work. The electronic speed control system operates whisper quiet while delivering consistent power across the entire low and high speed ranges. Performance testing shows this unit handles dense hardwoods with ease compared to the lighter Delta industrial lathe models available today. The pros include electronic speed control, sliding headstock design, and heavy-duty cast iron base. The cons include high initial price and heavy machine weight. Woodworkers will certainly appreciate the thoughtful design elements that prioritize both safety and creative freedom throughout long sessions of turning. At number 2, we have the JET JWL-1440VS. This impressive lathe targets professional woodworkers who demand precision and reliability for every intricate project they decide to undertake. Craftsmen appreciate how the sturdy frame provides a solid foundation that minimizes vibration during intense turning sessions in the workshop. The machine features a substantial 1.5 horsepower motor designed to handle heavy-duty stock with complete and total ease. Its heavy cast iron construction ensures stability while you navigate through demanding tasks on 16-inch diameter workpieces with confidence. You can control the electronic variable speed from 40 to 3200 RPM to achieve the perfect finish every time. The extended spindle nose houses dual headstock spindle bearings to promote smooth rotation and superior longevity throughout years of daily use. An improved tailstock quill locking mechanism incorporates an anti-rotation key to keep your work steady and secure during every single pass. The clever banjo uses a non-marring positive locking wedge system to ensure that the tool post remains held in place securely. Operations are further simplified by 36 integrated indexing positions which allow for precise pattern work without requiring any complex setup adjustments. The enclosed inverter provides added protection against dust and debris which helps maintain peak electrical performance over long periods of operation. This lathe is more refined than the Powermatic 3520B because of its more intuitive spindle lock latch mechanism design. The pros include variable speed control, stable cast construction, and precise indexing positions. The cons include heavy unit weight and significant workshop footprint. At number 1, we have the JEWL-1440VS. This exceptional wood lathe represents the pinnacle of professional craftsmanship for both dedicated hobbyists and seasoned woodworking shop owners alike. It serves as a massive upgrade for anyone seeking precision control while crafting custom bowls or intricate furniture table legs. The industrial-grade cast iron construction ensures that every single turn remains perfectly stable throughout the entire shaping process. With a bed length measuring 40 inches, this machine provides ample workspace for your largest and most ambitious creative projects. You will appreciate the sliding headstock design that rotates a full 360 degrees for outboard bowl turning. The powerful 1 horsepower motor delivers consistent torque across all speed ranges to handle even the hardest dense exotic woods. Its variable speed range spans from 400 up to 3000 RPM, allowing for total control of the finish. The electronic speed adjustment dial lets you make fine-tuning changes instantly without needing to manually shift any drive belts. During testing, the machine maintained remarkable balance even when rotating heavily unbalanced bowl blanks at the highest available speed settings. The smooth acceleration prevents common vibration issues that typically plague cheaper lathes during the initial stages of the wood turning. It performs significantly better than the Delta 4600 and 46 model when tackling heavy-duty professional production woodworking tasks. The pros include sturdy cast iron, rotating headstock, and variable speed control. The cons include premium price point and significant overall weight.